Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Innovation School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1. And today's topic, look at the board. I have already written down. Everyone must write the topic when you also will draw. Topic, 2 balloons with color. It's also your SW number 4. And it's very easy topic. You all know how to draw a circle. First, draw a circle. Okay. After that, you give a U like this. Okay. Then give this type of line and zigzag line and give the thread and draw like this. After that, you will erase this line and give some decoration. Easy decoration, you can use this type of decoration. Okay, here I have mentioned 2 balloons. That's why I will show you how to draw another balloons. You know that the same things. Again, draw the circle. Give the U and this type of line, give the thread and pull down. Here you can use another type of design like this. Okay. So I have drawn 2 balloons for you and I have already colored 2 balloons for you. Now look at the board. I will brief you which color I have used on the balloons. You can use another color which you will wish. Here I have used pink and blue color, and here I have used yellow, blue, and in this tiny circle, that means drops, I have used orange color. And on the threads I have used black color. And remember this, you won't use this any kinds of black border by the black marker or black side pen. If you want to give the border, you will use 4B pencil. Okay, so I will say again, this one is your SW number 4. When you will do your SW, you must write down the topic, lecture number 6 and the SW number 4. Then you will submit at your school every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear student, practice at your home more and more time for your better drawing. Thank you.